Well, you can hardly see out here, but we have to get an early morning start because we're doing the Hospitalis route today, which is the longest and hardest of the journey. So we got to get an early morning start to make sure we can get it done and get a bed on the other side, because there's no stopping for close to 20 miles today. There's a 20-mile stretch with no albergues, nowhere to stop.
Looking good so far.
Vending machine coffee in the middle of this little guy. Try it.
Little stir stick.
It's probably a cappuccino, or espresso. How is it?
Fine.
Cool. 'Found Yoda on the Camino.
I'm glad you saw this. We would have missed the damn thing.
Awake, my dear. Be kind to your sleeping heart. Take it out into the vast fields of light and let it breathe. 5.5 miles in, and we have to go up that. Alright, let's go up that guy. Woo! It is so windy. Oh my gosh, like my dad's getting blown over. Not quite to the top, but almost there. Keep going.
Bike tracks?
That's insane!
Yeah.
Just as you think you're at the top, you're not. It keeps going. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if we're there yet.
That was intense. We're still on at the top. Up there. It's never ending. And it's so windy. feel safe to say we may have come to the high point because now we're going downhill. So now it's down. Woo-wee. This is a tough day. Here's the culprit. Huh?
That was embarrassing.
I'm glad you're okay. Tonight's albergue.